Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can host your GitHub project for free. So I'm going to show you all the process here step by step, and at first we'll actually go to the browser and we're going to go for the GitHub. Okay, so github.com, go to the github.com, and here you have to create your account. So it will be something like this. Let me show you github.com. So from here you have to sign up your account through the Gmail account, okay, your Google account, okay. Continue with the Google and then create the account, or maybe actually you can give here email manually and then your own password and then username and everything, and then go for the create account. I already have the account, so I'm going to go for the sign in, but you can see I already signed in also. Now we have to click here in the profile icon and then go for the repositories, and the repository means it's kind of project. So here you can see these are the repositories I have in my GitHub account. Now in your case, if you want to create new one, you can actually click here new, and then you can give it a name, okay, and then create the repository and upload the project here. Let me show you how the project will look like. If I open any repository, you can see there will be an upload option, okay. You have to upload, okay, that's it. Here you can see upload files. If you click here upload files, and there will be something like this, then you can actually choose your project and upload it here. So I already have the project, so I'm going to skip this part. Here you can see this is static website. Now to host this, from here we are going to go to the vercel.com. So I'll say vercel. If I type vercel and if I search it on the browser, you can see vercel.com. I'll go to that link and I will go for the login. If you don't have any account, you can actually go for the sign up option at first, okay. Here you can sign up and continue with the Google, or if you want to give here manual email, you can actually give, but I have actually create my account through directly continue with the Google, so I'll choose the account here. So I have added the account here, you can see, and here I have bunch of different project you can see here. Now in your case, you have to come to this project section. Maybe in your case there will be no project. I already have some project here. Now what you have to do to add a new project, you can click here add new and then project. From here you can choose which repository basically you want to add. So here you can click here in this option and then add your GitHub account here. So currently you can see we are logged into GitHub, so you can actually click here add GitHub account, and then there will be a pop-up window here you can see, and here you have to actually connect your GitHub account. That's it. And when you will connect your GitHub account, then you will get here all the repository. You can see the latest one is this one, so I'm going to click here import, okay, and you can see imported successfully. Now here either you can give it a name, or let's say I want to keep it as the project name, and I will say deploy. Now I'll actually click here skip securing my account because it will take some time. I want to actually go with this, so I'll say continue to dashboard, and here you can see this is the domain and storage is ready, and that's it guys. Now we'll actually check that our project is live or not. Here you can see testbanana-2.vercel.app, and our website is live, you can see, and this is live from Vercel, okay. I have actually added this project here in the Vercel, and guys, I have shown you how you can actually host your GitHub project for free with Vercel, okay. That's it. If this video helps you guys, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.